Oh na na na, we dey move, we dey go. Ticket in my hands, I'm ready. Oh, eh. Passport stamp like a champion. Flying high, no carry bag of tension. From Lagos to Cape Town, vibrant. London vibe, then back to the nation. I dey feel the breeze from Ghana. Chop jollof vibe with my mama. Next up, maybe Morocco. I dey waka waka, no be so.
This is Dr. Badu and Ziggy Bacher is the man. Travel, whatever you want. Call him, contact him, and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Thank me later.
Good morning, everybody. What's up? Welcome to my channel. And today we're trying to go to Put-in Bay. So just follow me as we go to Put-in Bay. Yes. So it's gonna be a road trip. Yeah. So follow me. Let's go.
Welcome to Put-in Bay.
Put-in Bay.
Put-in Bay.
We're getting on the ferry.
Okay, this is how we started our journey by trying to discover the island in Ohio. We're not trying to discover, but we're going to find out because there are a lot of people in Ohio who do not even know that this island is in Ohio. So we're heading straight to Put-in Bay to see how beautiful that area looks. Basically, if you're coming from Columbus, it's going to take you like 2 hours and some few minutes to get there. Depending on where you're coming from, it might be 3 hours or whatever. So yes, that's we driving to our island. Yes, we're jamming on some music though in the car. Yeah, so we heading straight to Put-in Bay. We had to make a stop because it was really long, so we'll be making our first stop soon, going through all these beautiful beautiful houses. Yes.
Reach for the sky. Stay focused, don't give in. That's how you begin to win. When you're alone, lost in the night, hold on, hold tight to your light. Feel it shine. It's all you need.
Yeah, so we just did our first stop. First stop, trying to get something to snack on. So we just have to get these and be snacking on that before we get to our destination. It's all.
Stay focused, don't give in. That's how you begin to win. Life can be tough, yeah, it's true. Walking these streets with no clue, no one to guide, feeling low, searching for where I should go. But I won't let it break, not today. I'll find my light, I'll find my way. The skies may cry, the winds may blow, but my fire inside will glow. Keep your head
So when you get here, actually, you wait in the queue if you want to board the ferry. Yeah. So that's Put-in Bay. We're supposed to join the ferry, and then we go to the Put-in Bay Island. Yeah. So if you don't know, there is a place that looks like the Caribbean, and it's located right here in America, Ohio, Columbus. It's actually 3 hours from Columbus though. Yeah, depending on where you're coming from.
that away while I get your
You were saying something. What'd you say?
I'll have you put your card away and I'll
Okay.
get these for you. Okay, so basically, I'm going to break them in half.
Okay.
And then I'm going to fold them up like this. This. This is for everybody to come back.
Okay.
Okay?
To come back.
To come back.
All right.
And then when you guys get down below, you're just going to take these tickets and just give them to the guys down below.
Okay.
They'll collect them to get on. You can go that way.
All right. Thank you. All right. Bye.
We out here. How do you call this place?
Pudding Bay.
Pudding Bay.
We're getting on the ferry.
Yep. And it's about to be late.
We outside.
So we are Pudding Bay right now, and then we're just waiting for the ferry to come so we go ahead. Yeah, so when you get here, you just form a queue here. You wait, when it gets to your turn, the ferry will come, we'll give you all the routes, the ferry, and then you cross to the island. It's a little village in Ohio, so if you don't know, just come here in Ohio. Yeah, it looks like Bahamas, it looks like the Caribbean, so we're telling you, come through. Yeah, see y'all. If you want to go to the island with your car, you just join the queue and then you join the ferry. Yes, this is Putin Bay. If you don't know, Putin Bay is a village in Ohio. Yeah, it's a little village, island village. Looks like the Caribbeans, you know. Yeah.
I'm walking the tightrope of highs and lows. Life got me tangled, but yeah, it goes. Lit up a spark just to clear my mind. When the shadows get heavy, I leave them behind. 3 near misses, but I'm still alive. Got the scars to remind me how hard I strive. Through the ashes I rise with my heart intact. These battles I've conquered, that's a cold hard fact. I got a plan, and the plan is on God it is. Ooh. Dreams in my pocket and fire in my chest. Won't let this weight put me to rest. When I stumble, I get back up on my feet. Every fall just reminds me the climb's a leap. The music whispers, it's all in my hand. Fingers to the sky like I understand. A whisper louder than the shouts of the world. Through storms and chaos, my visions unfurl. I got a plan, and the plan is on God it is. Ooh. Dreams in my pocket and fire in my chest. Won't let this weight put me to rest. When I stumble, I get back up on my feet. Every fall just reminds me the climb's a leap. The music whispers, it's all in my hand. Fingers to the sky like I understand. A whisper louder than the shouts of the world. wings unfurl.
We got to the island, and when you get to the island, there are two things you can do, or three things you can do. Either you brought your car, or you have to rent a cat, or you take a taxi, the island taxi. But I will advise you that when you get there, try and rent a cat like we just did. So at least if you want to move around to any place, it's easier for you to move around that way. Yes, so that's the center for renting the cat. I think it's $20 an hour or something. Yeah.
So I'm in Pudding Bay right now, and when you get to Pudding Bay, you can rent a cat if you want. You can also take their taxis, but if you rent a cat, you have the mobility. You know, you can move around and all of that. So, well, I'm moving to the first stop. You know, yeah. Pudding Bay is an island or a village inside Ohio. Yeah. So it's an island you don't know about. So follow me and let me show you around.
Okay, there are two ways you can get to Pudding Bay Island, either with your boat, private boat, or the little airport. If you have your own plane, you can also land over here with your plane. So this is their little airport over there, and that's me. We're going to book for a helicopter tour. Yes.
So we want to do the helicopter. So we're coming to find out, yeah, how much it costs for us to do it at the Pudding Bay.
Just around the corner, there's a gate right there.
Yes, so as you can see, those are the flight rules before you get on board. Yes.
I'm walking the tightrope.
Yeah, so they're warming it up for us to just get on board right now.
Life got me tangled, but yeah, it goes.
Doing it right.
Lit up a spark just to clear my mind.
That's the Pudding
When the
Bay.
shadows get heavy, I leave them behind. 3 near misses, but I'm still alive. Got the scars to remind me how hard I strive. Through the ashes I rise with my heart intact. These battles I've conquered, that's a cold hard fact. I got a plan, and the plan is all I've got is you. Dreams in my pocket and fire in my chest. Won't let this weight put me to rest. When I stumble, I get back up on my feet. Every fall just reminds me the climb's a leap. The music whispers, it's all in my hand. Fingers to the sky like I understand. A whisper louder than the shouts of the world.
your name?
Tanner.
Would you like me to video you?
Oh, sure, absolutely.
All right. What's your my captain's name? Captain, what's your name?
Tanner.
Oh, nice meeting you. Thank you for a nice ride.
What's that?
Thank you for a nice ride.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Every fall just reminds me the climb's elite. The music whispers, it's all in my hand.
Okay, so I just finished the helicopter tour. Now we are going to the next stop. The island is really big. It's really big, so we're going to the next stop to explore what is there and see what is there. Yeah, we're following the map though. Yeah, the hotels, Airbnb is also here. If you ever want to come and stay here, you can come and stay. There are a lot of people over here. Yeah.
All right.
This is Putin Bay, and they have everything over here. Honestly, it just looks like the Caribbean. So if you've not been here before, find your way to Putin Bay. Like it is a vibe. I'm telling you. Just get here and just come have fun. Like Putin Bay is a place to be. So follow me as I take you around and I show you Putin Bay.
Welcome to Putin Bay.
Aye.
Look at this.
It's a whole vibe.
This right here is Ohio. I know a lot of y'all think Ohio's a village, but we got a lot more to offer. Come here by yourself, with your babe, with your family. Come explore what we got, okay?
That's what's up.
Enjoy.
Enjoy the view.
It's beautiful out here, you know what
Beautiful.
I mean? Yeah.
We're taking you out to sea, man. This is an island in America, and you don't know this. Yeah, we're just telling you right now. It's called Putin Bay. Yeah, so find your way to Putin Bay in Ohio, and it's 3 hours away from Columbus. So just find your way here. It's a nice place.
It's free.
If you have never been to Putin Bay before, please make your way to Putin Bay. If you have never been here, don't say I never told you. I go around to discover places you do not know about in Ohio. And this is a beautiful sightseeing. You would not even believe it's in Ohio. You think it would be in Belize, you know, Bahamas, you know, like, but it's here, it's right here. Look at the view. Look at the view. It's right here. It's right here. All these boats you're seeing are private owned. They are all private owned boats. Yes, they're all private owned boats you're seeing right here. That's Stella right there.
Oh, we got her, dude. No, I'm actually
It's gonna turn out to something, man. This be a whole big city on the road.
See this place, that place will be nice.
I swear.
Oh na na na, we dey move, we dey go. Tickets in my hands, I'm ready. Oh, passport stamp like a champion. Flying high, no carry bag of tension. From Lagos to Cape Town, vibrant. London vibe, then back to the nation. I dey feel the breeze from Ghana. Chop jollof vibe with my mama. Next stop maybe Morocco. I dey waka waka, no be sorrow. Waka waka make we go. Around the world we dey flow. From Niger down to Rio. Me and my baby we dey glow. Oh na na na, we dey move, we dey do. Tickets in my hand, I'm ready. Oh, passport
So this is the Putin Bay beach. Yeah.
From Lagos to Cape Town, vibrant. London vibe, then back to the nation. I dey feel the breeze from Ghana. Chop jollof vibe with my mama.
They have a
Next
playground.
stop, maybe Morocco. I dey waka waka, no be sorrow. Waka waka make we go. Around the world we dey flow. From Niger down to Rio. Me and my baby we dey glow.
Mojito Bay.
How you doing, guys?
We're good. What's up, my G? You good?
up, man?
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, brother. I'll have to check
What's
your
up?
ID.
Mojito Bay, inside the island of Putin Bay. Beautiful place.
come in. Pudding Bay is the place. If you don't know, Pudding Bay is in Ohio. It's not Bahamas. It's in Ohio. And we were not able to do all the sites. We just did like 2 or 3. But I'm telling you, next time I'm gonna do all of the video for you to see. It's a nice place to be. I'm telling you. My African leaders, I hope you're watching this. Come to Pudding Bay, learn from them. God bless America. Thank you.
Chop jollof vibe with my mama. Next up maybe Morocco. I dey waka waka no be sorrow. Waka waka make we go. Around the world we dey flow.